boys and girls. Today's craft is going to go along with the books that I read on Tuesday. Dragons love tacos. Would you think a dragon would love tacos? No. But anyway, what we're going to make today is a paper taco. And you're going to get a paper plate, fold it in half, and color it with a brown crayon. Put your tomato in, your cheese in, your beef in, and your lettuce. And then you've got 2 red pieces, one for the taco sauce and one for the tomato. So that's what our taco's going to have in it. If you want to add something else to it, you can. This is your taco. You fix it however you want it. Our second craft that we're going to do is a dragon sun visor. Again, you will get half of a paper plate, cut in the shape of a sun visor, color it green. You will have your teeth. You will have everything for your eyes and your nostrils. And then you will have a little tie back here that you can put on through the holes. And I will go on and cut your hole or punch your holes in there just in case you don't have a hole punch. And you can put this on as a sun visor like this. And you can be a dragon yourself. For your treat, you can have Mom help you make a taco. You can put whatever you want to in it. If you just want the beef and the taco sauce and some cheese, that's fine. It's your taco. But another neat thing you could do is make an ice cream taco. That would really be good, and put your ice cream, different flavors of your ice cream inside. And if you didn't want to use a taco shell, you could make it like 2 cookies. You could cut your cookies in the shape, like a sugar cookie, in the shape of a taco, and put ice cream in the center of it and decorate it to look like a taco. So there's a lot of different ways you can fix a snack for your tacos. Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do our science experiment that goes along with dragons love tacos. And they're going to be a fire-breathing dragon. So I've got you a plastic bottle here, and you will decorate it. It's a water bottle, and you've got eyes, and you'll have a tail that you can put on it. Now, what I did here, I have a cup of vinegar. We're going to add a drop, and I'm using the funnel. It's easier if you use the funnel. And I'm going to add a drop of dishwashing detergent, about 4 drops of red food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our final ingredient to the fire-breathing dragon is a tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, now, a tablespoon. Here we go. Are you ready? Here comes our fire-breathing dragon. Hope you have fun doing it.